Got this iMac keyboard, and it's pretty filthy actually. If you look at some of the keys, I mean, I've seen worse, but they brought it into us and said, look, can you make this look immaculate? So I said, oh, I'll give it a go. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use a bit of isopropyl. Let's see what we can do with it. So I've got some cloth here, there's some isopropyl, put it on the cloth, soak it nicely, and let's go around. So we start at the escape key just there. Let's give it a go. Wow, that looks absolutely like new if you compare it to the one. So let's just do this, shall we? More alcohol. Some of the stains are a little bit stubborn, so what you can actually do is don't spray directly on to the keyboard. Just get some window cleaner, which I've put in this bowl, put quite a bit on there, and mix it up with the IPA. I've just got some on the keyboard, hope that doesn't go through, and you can just go around, because some of the stubborn stains will be broken down with the window cleaner, because the window cleaner has vinegar in it. Yeah, you can literally smell it. So I use vinegar, and I'm finding that it's cleaning up a lot better than just having IPA, and this will stay soaked for a while. So If it gets a bit dry, just put some more on. Just put some on directly. Okay, nicely soaked up. A little bit of IPA again. It's actually a lot easier. It's a lot easier to clean. Get in between as well. So get into the metal bits, you know, the bits that are in between here. And get in there as well while you're there. You must have years of junk on it. Somebody wasn't washing their hands while they were eating. I don't know if you can see the difference there, but look at that space bar. Half of it's clean, half of it's not. So you can see sort of it's cleaned up to here, approximately there, and that side compared to this side. Oops, way too much on there. But a bit of IPA would help it evaporate a bit, I suppose. Don't want too much on here now. And if I look at these keys here, this is the ones we did. Some of them we did without the window cleaner. Yeah, they still are a bit. They've still got a bit of grime on there. Just go around the whole frame of it now. Get a nice dryer cloth. Careful, we don't want to damage any of the keys. Just have another inspection. Make sure it's all good. And I think that, now you can see the difference there, how clean that is. Now this is a white keyboard. Now can you imagine the dirt on a keyboard that's black or grey or whatever other colour that they're out there, you know? That looks immaculate. That's how you clean a keyboard. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, hit this, smash the bell icon.